Hello lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today tutorial we're going to do old school gele. That is what's trending right now, old school. And this is me right here with my old school gele. I think this is in 1993 or 4. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you, welcome to the family, and to all our subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. And this is our organic lip balm. I will keep you guys posted. It will be available soon. So if you want to see how to do your own old school gele, and that is me right there, keep on watching. So I've already packed my hair. When make sure that you keep your hair in one place, and we're gonna start from the front. And I've already pre-ironed it to get the plate out. You don't really need anything much. So start it by putting on top of your head and make sure you arrange the front really good because you don't want it to be too bulky and you don't want to be on top of each other. It's supposed to be slightly on top of each other, not direct top. And after that, I'm going to crisscross it. And we're going to do 70-30, long and short. This gel is kind of really small, but I'll pull it out. So, and after that, I'm just going to put it on slightly on top, the long hand. And after that, try to arrange it. Like I said, this is freestyle. You don't need plates, you don't need anything, but just make sure that you arranged it so nothing showing on top of each other. Like I said, this one is really, the gel is really short. I'm supposed to twist it, but it's really short. So the next one, I'm going to do the one that is a little bit longer so you can see how I'm going to twist it. So I'm going to just go other side just like that, but not direct on top. I put it slightly on top of each other because you don't want it to look bulky. So you can see that it's kind of small. So that's why I didn't twist it all the way to the other side. And it just arranged it and it just twisted it slightly, just like that. Because I don't want it to be too small. Just twisted it, just like so. And the other side, I'm going to twist it so it can be really stand straight. And after that, it's just going to just tie the knot, just like that. And now I'm just going to just open the other one just like that. And the bottom one, I'm going to tuck in. You should be able to tuck in the lower one. You don't need pin or anything. And after that, this is it. And just put it back slightly. And if you want to leave it like that, you want it to be up like that, you can do that. Or if you want to put it down just like so, you can use the pin to put it. Please, when you put the pin, please don't poke yourself. And this is it right here. Yeah, you ready for your party? And after that, I'm just going to arrange it to just put it down. So that way it's not going to be obviously long on my head. And this is it right here. So you just arrange it to your taste. And this is our other color for our organic lip balm. I will keep you guys posted. The website will be up soon. And this is it right here. Then I put my jewelry on. So and this is it. This gele, the one to my right, is 1994 or 6, I think. You can see this old schools are back. Welcome back. So don't call me old lady. I'm just saying. Okay, anyway. And so just arranged it. And after your gele, if you need to, because sometimes when we tie our gele, makeup and everything, gele might take a little bit from there. You just put your lipstick, your jewelry and everything. You just use a powder puff and just arrange your face because you don't want one side to be dark and the other one to be light. So, and this is it. So I want to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys on the next video. Love you guys.